Gary, what are you doing to the pineapple? Oh, so that's where you hide your blocks. They even look like pineapple chunks. But they're blocks, and blocks are for building. We've got all this fruit around. So why don't we make a smoothie stand? Of course, every pineapple needs a crown. Now our surf shop is aquarium ready. Of course, a beach is gonna need some sand. How else is everyone gonna get some sandy cheeks? Coconut. Now that's one tough nut to break. This one's got a prize inside. It's Patrick. He's stretchy, but he could sure use some pants. But first, let's clear off those pimples. Okay, now that bottom's bikini ready. Time to blow a balloon. We're out of bubbles. Let's try it on for size. Perfect fit. How about you stick around for a spell? You rest up. We'll get your rock ready. With this shell, we've got a basement and attic. Can't forget the antenna. Patrick likes his soaps. Ah, pineapples. They're practically made to cut up. More importantly, they're made for snacking. But save the shell. It just needs a few additions. Like a welcoming door. Plus a window or two. Pins, functional and fashionable. A chimney for Santa. But guess who's here now? SpongeBob! And Squidward's right around the corner. Hey, Sponge Girl, he needs his tiki. Grab a cup. Those pens ain't going anywhere. Stand it up and make a doorway. Cover it up with a nice dark blue. Uh-oh, almost sealed up the door. Now grab one of those loose pens. Add some color to these popsicle sticks. It's time for a little karate. You know, karate. Once they're broken up, we can make a door. Can't forget a gilded doorknob. But Tiki's missing a face? Ever notice he kind of looks like Squidward? Any other Squidwards we should know about? Hey guys, what are you all looking at? Nosferatu? No, it's SpongeBob. He's looking a little dry. Get him some water. Maybe the Flying Dutchman's chest can help. We hit something. Diamonds! Don't tell Mr. Krabs. Anyone got anything they want to add? Thanks, Squidward. Ooh, doubloons! Sponge Skull's got a cool new resting place. What a nice chain! Why not add it in too? Always knew SpongeBob's the real treasure. Of course, the best treasure's always buried, for some reason. SpongeBob? That must be his spare skull. Lunchtime? Ooh, the Krusty Krab delivers. Wow, we finally get to try a Krabby Patty. If you think that's bad, they forgot your drink too. But Sponge Girl has a few tricks up her sleeve. We just need a ball, make a slice, and paint it as red as Mr. Krabs. Add a matching pipe cleaner, make a pair. Now we've got some big meaty claws. That's right, we're making our own crab. And down here, crabs like money, like a lot. Some lashes should protect those dollar signs. Hey, why don't you guard our treasure? And yes, it's a paid position. Sponge Girl, you got a little something. Hey, is that Plankton? Leave her brain alone! We should really keep an eye on you. Speaking of eye, he needs one. Just one. Someone's looking good. Well, evil good. Hey, we've got a little surprise for you. You finally get to go into business with Mr. Krabs. Uh-oh, looks like stormy seas ahead. Oh no, the gang's all mixed up. Let's help them find their right houses. I know, we'll make them some signs. Just add the right color button where it's needed. Plenty of pink to go around. We've got green too. All it needs now is a leg to stand up. Here guys, go to the place with your face on it. Ah, nothing beats a good homecoming. Oh, SpongeBob, what's wrong? I know, you miss your best friend in the world. If the shell didn't tip you off, it's Gary. After all, home is where the shell is. But we're not done yet. We need a body. Some membrane, and 2 eye stalks. A snail without a shell is just a slug. Ooh, Gary must be eating all of his veggies. Which reminds me, it's time for dinner. Now for some kelp cola. Hey, you made green pasta. Maybe just this once, it's okay to play with your food. But it's not easy being green. Use all sorts of colors. Pour them out. Now you can really taste the rainbow. Add to the sand. The coral's really in bloom. Bikini Bottom's in session. Time to relax. Oh wait, there's one more finishing touch. Sorry, Dolly, we're gonna need that gravel. A road will really help you get around. But our underwater world needs one more thing. Water. Someone make sure Sandy's wearing her helmet. Oh, she's in her tree dome. Good, good. Wow, we can practically swim in this thing. I didn't mean that as a challenge. Seems like a nice place to raise a school. Ooh, the jellyfish are in season. Hey, Nemo, your dad's looking for you. Either way, let's explore our underwater world. Granted, there's no surprises when you're the architect. Wow, I can't believe I can hold my breath this long. She also comes with some shiny pink slime. Slime is already great on its own. But wait until you add the toppings. Just like pizza, so knead it like dough. Which is also pizza related. Sorry, I'll move on. Next up, it's a tiny Pinky copter. That Pinky, she's always got her head in the clouds. Ooh, Simon's ready for Halloween. But I think he could sure use a trim. Simon's been holding out on us. Just look at this toy. And we've got the perfect solution. Bubble solution. Come on, fill up the room. Bubbles for all. This next toy's pretty small, but give it time to grow. And inside, it's another tiny little box. It's a mini Pianosaurus bank, so it needs mini money. Now that's what I call service with a smile. Next up, we've got a dinosaur scoop. But why go digging up fossils when we can bring dinos back to life? But maybe we should cut them down to size. You must be this small to slide on down. And the best part, when you're done, you can go again. Next up, it looks like we've got a safe, and it's pink. It's locked. We gotta figure out the code. First, solve the matching Sprunky Repo game on back. Looks like it's color-coded. We've cracked the code. Let's just hope it works. 3, 4, 5, right in order. How convenient. And look, we're rolling in semi-bots. But why don't we give them a spiffy, sprunky makeover? Ratty, Binaria, and Derple, but 2.0. Guess you can never have enough Pinky. Or Sky. Or Semi-Hemi. How far do you think it goes? We're reaching the center. A tiny Simon ball. It's just what we need for our toy maze. Let's take it for a spin. Avoid the hurdles. Quick, try the bridge. Just avoid that hole. Don't worry, you've got another life. Maybe Sky will have more luck. Or not. Okay, Pinky, it's your turn. Let's hope the third time's the charm. Careful about that bridge. You made it. It's Pinky's world. We're just living in it. Of course, new is such a relative word. Still, he comes with a bunch of accessories. Like your very own Mr. Fun computer. He's popular, but he needs a little chemical X. Aw, they grow up so fast. Now he's a supercomputer. Plus, he's got a new blue sky just for you. And inside him is a brain? Penny for your thoughts? Either way, it's squishy. Hey, look at that. An egg. Hold it. We just need to supersize it. Hey, it's got binaria. Let's take a look inside. Wow, it's a giant cactus. Seems like a fun guy. I wonder if he's part mushroom. Hey, binaria. I think some introductions are in order. Actually, I think you two could be real close. That is, of course, if we make a few adjustments. Ooh, the computer comes with free refreshments. Just keep them away from the keyboard. Wow, after all this time, they joined forces. Can you imagine what they made together? Well, it's a liquid. I know. Let's go fishing. Should be easier than that barrel. We caught something. Hey, it's a tiny little sky. Is there anyone else in here? It's a little Simon. And he's lemon-scented. Ooh, tiny clucker and his tiny, tiny hat. Huh, fishing's thirsty work. Let's add some fizz and relax with a nice drink. Don't skimp on the bubbles. Hey, what else is in here? Wow, a mini vending machine. Doesn't seem empty. What are you waiting for? Toss a coin in. Try to buy a bunch if you can. After all, we've got company over. These sprunkies sure take sandbox time seriously. I know how it looks, but I still think there's buried treasure here. Oren, what are you doing here? I see. Everyone's buried in the wrong plot. Either that or the tombstones got mixed up. Don't worry, these aren't really our sprunky friends. Squeeze them to see what color's inside. You know, a lot of people have red inside them. Next, what's your favorite flavor of lemonade? Make it pink. Made from pink lemons, I think. Ratty, green or blue? Yeah, green goes great with red. Orange, purple or red? Makes sense. We already did red. Last but not least, sky, pink or orange. Just like the juice.